This is Patrick Oborn, co-founder and vice president of marketing for Telarus, here with you today to show you just how easy it is to generate paperwork for Comcast business class services through the Telarus back office system. The first step to generating a Comcast quote is to log into your Telarus agent back office, which we provide for free for all of our Telarus agent partners. Once you're here, simply drill down into our nice and easy customer CRM and generate a quote using GeoQuote. All you do is select on the business cable selection, click on the continue button, and within seconds you'll be looking at a Comcast cable quote. Now before you generate paperwork, you'll want to configure the order. So you need to find the bandwidth option that you're looking for. So let's say 100 megs, and then we click on the configure link. That takes us to a page that asks us for the details about this order. Do they want a static IP address? Would they like to upgrade their web hosting? Would they like to add a couple of full-featured voice lines to their order? And lastly, would they like to add a TV package? If they do, just click on the update and create paperwork, and it will take you into this first step where it actually asks you for a preview of that of the order. If anything's wrong, simply click here to go back and edit. And if everything looks good, go ahead and click on Next. The first step is to verify the service location, make sure the address in our system is correct. Once you verify, the next step will ask you who the primary contact is for this customer. We pre-populate this information from the customer record, but you can change it here if needs be for the paperwork. Next, the billing contact, so that we can make sure that the billing contact on record at Comcast Business Class is exactly what the customer desires, should it be any different again than the one on your customer record. Again, everything is pre-filled out, so you don't have to answer everything specifically. All you have to do is make adjustments where necessary. Lastly, the technical contact is the person who's on site, who's in charge of the computer networks. For most people, it will be the business owner, but if it's not, you can go ahead and put it here. Also, let us know if this business contact is on site, yes or no. In the case of new construction, obviously, they would not be on site, so Comcast knows they need to call this person to set up an appointment in order to set this service up. For the full feature voice line, I can go ahead and port an existing number over, or I can just leave this new and they will assign me a brand new phone number. Next, if there's any specific hunt group qualifications, go ahead and enter these here. If they've ordered more than one full feature voice line, hunt group is actually free from Comcast and can be specified here. Lastly, you can tell our Comcast what type of phone equipment they are using. Basically, if you don't know, just leave this section blank. Directory listing, of course, everything with Comcast comes with a free directory listing, and you can put the name as everything is going to display here. And the caller ID, you can specify what is going to come on the caller ID or not, and also a couple of additional features. That's it. As soon as you're done, you can review the order here. Everything looks good. Simply click on Generate Contract, and within a matter of seconds, we will email you a contract, and we will also attach this to the original customer record so that you can come in here and see that we've got Comcast paperwork generated right here. Simply click on this, and there is your Comcast customer signature ready paperwork. All you need to do is print this out or email it an attachment, get the customer to sign, and you're on your way. If there's any additional things like letter of agency or Resborgs, these will also be included, again, with all the customer's information pre-filled out. Again, that's how easy it is to generate paperwork for Comcast Business Class through Telarus. Thank you for watching, and visit Telarus.com if you have any questions or would like to join us. Take care.